Thank you for choosing kawaii-esim. This video explains about the roaming settings and APN settings on your iPhone and introduces the steps to use an eSIM. These are the settings you'll need after arriving at your destination. Please see the profile settings video for information on settings before traveling. Hi there, Madoka-chan here, guiding you once again. There is one thing you need to confirm before setting up your device. Please set it up after arriving at your destination. First off, I'll explain roaming settings and APN settings. Roaming settings. This is a setting to enable data communication using the local carrier's network while staying abroad. APN settings. These are the initial settings required to use kawaii-esim. Let's begin with the roaming settings. Step 1. Select cellular. Step 2. Ensure that the added eSIM is turned on. If it's off, please turn it on. Then select cellular data. Step 3. Select the eSIM you have loaded. In this case, it's travel. If you turn on Allow Cellular Data Switching, there is a risk of incurring high charges due to roaming on the main line. Please be sure to turn it off. Step 4. Ensure that cellular data has been switched. Now select the loaded eSIM. Step 5. Turn on data roaming for the loaded eSIM. Step 6. Select the original eSIM, which is your main line. Step 7. Turn off data roaming and turn on this line. That's all for the roaming settings. Let's proceed with the APN settings. If you cannot connect even after setting up before or after traveling, please configure the settings as follows. Step 1. Select cellular. Step 2. Select the eSIM purchased from kawaii-esim. Step 3. Select cellular data network. Step 4. Enter the APN information you received via email into the red frame section. This information is attached to the email from kawaii-esim. In some cases, the APN information may already be entered depending on your device. That concludes the APN settings. And that's all for the tutorial. Thank you for watching.